Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so your computer and phone can talk. Next, open a sensor testing app or connect with a DB and Android Studio. This gives you live access. Make sure the device is charged above 50% and sit it on a flat surface to avoid motion bias. This matters for accelerometer and gyroscope readings. Once done, launch the sensor monitor and watch the initial values populate, then move to targeted checks. Now you run focus checks. View live graphs for accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer and observe responsiveness as you tilt and rotate the device. For proximity and light sensors, cover and uncover them slowly. For pressure or temperature, compare readings to a known reference if possible. Record baseline values and look for drift or zero offsets. Make multi-axis movements and repeat each test to confirm consistency. If readings jump or stay fixed, you'll need to troubleshoot next. To finish, export logs and compare values against expected ranges so you know what passed and what did not. If a sensor seems off, try recalibrating through the app or system settings, then reboot the device and retest. Software glitches often clear. Make sure apps and firmware are up to date. If a sensor still fails after resets and testing on another device shows different behavior, consider hardware troubleshooting or professional repair as the next step. You want to rule out a physical fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.